I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. Medyo matagal-tagal tayong nawala dahil sobra nawalan ako ng boses, hindi lang halata dahil dito sa YouTube, sa YouTube medyo halata kasi nagkaroon tayo ng pause. Sa ibang social media platforms, lalo na sa FB, hindi siya halata kasi meron tayong mga recordings na nakasave at saka naka-scheduled na. Yun na lang, nawala talaga yung boses natin. Susubukan natin uli, ha. Medyo garalgal pa yung boses ng inyong abang lingkod. So, medyo pagpasensyahan nyo na, kahit gustuhin ko, pinipilit ko talaga nung mga panahon na yun, The Six of Wands. So, parang ang ibig sabihin nito, supposedly, meron tayong inaabangan, na isang magandang balita. Meron tayong inaabangan na siguro ine-expect na natin na pwedeng mangyari, gusto nating mangyari. It just so happen na merong nakablock. At yung blockage nito is the High Priestess. Parang hindi natin matsyempohan, hindi natin makuha yung bukod sa tamang timing, yung tamang timpla. If this is a relationship, sabihin natin ang tamang timpla nito is kailan ko ba matatimingan, na my person is my person woke up on the right side of the bed, Parang minsan palagi na lang din mainit ang ulo. Kung sa trabaho naman ito, like yung boss, hindi natin matimingan kasi laging busy or lagi ding mainit ang ulo. Parang ang feeling natin ngayon, kailan ko makukuha itong aking ine-expect, yung aking dream, yung aking manifestations. Kasi parang feeling mo, may nakabara, doon sa manifestations natin. So, speaking of, so kung feeling mo may nakabara sa love, meron tayong rose quartz na pwedeng makatulong. Finances, meron tayong citrine na pwedeng makatulong, na mga bracelets. That's actually a crystal that might going to help you getting your manifestations with the Nine of Swords. Medyo balisa na tayo dito. The Nine of Swords kasi parang sinasabi natin na uneasy yung heart natin. Hindi lang yung isip, parang pati puso natin kabado sa mga pwedeng mangyari. It felt like medyo hindi tayo nakakapagpatulog-tulog ng maayos, napapaginipan pa natin tong person natin or itong manifestations natin. And it kind of make me feel that sa haba ng panahon na hindi natin nakikita, nararamdaman yung pag-asa, medyo nawawalan tayo ng gana in a way, even sa pagtulog, medyo apektado nga siya, the Hermit and the Three of Swords. So, ang inaantay ba natin ngayon instead of a good news, mas inaantay natin ngayon yung kailan ba niya sasabihin na hindi na ito mangyayari, na wag na akong umasa, no? Um, are we just kind of like expecting something opposite, no? Doon sa ating manifestations. Um, our heart, when it all started, especially whatever this manifestations that we want to come to fruition, it felt like it's kind of good. It feels um, parang masaya tayo. We are parang laging active. But what is happening seems like otherwise, no? Para kasing meron ditong mga bagay na pilit kong ginagawa pero pabaligtad yung nangyayari. With the Page of Cups, I think that experience might be a problem, no? Or it could be an issue with this. Um, Probably we are just kind of like inspired with what we saw sa movie, sa teleserye, K-drama, or dito sa ating mga binabasa, no? But with the Queen of Pentacles, so it kind of make me feel that you saw a specific energy. I'm gonna call this energy because of this can be a person, this could be an event, an opportunity na parang sinabi mo, oh, this is the potential person, this is the potential energy, this is the potential opportunity for me to probably get these manifestations. It kind of make me feel that medyo sinisisi natin yung sarili natin sa mga bagay na feels like things are not happening, right? Feels like things are not, sabihin nating, may blockage. Ngayon, with regard to the Ace of Swords, ang weird ng energy na ito kasi patalon-talon, paiba-iba, parang feeling ko may mood swings, no? It could be your person, no? If this is a romantic relationship, it felt like your person just have, sabihin natin, mood swings. Meron siyang mga bagay na ibinibigay sa'yo sa panahon na gusto niya lang ibigay, no? May mga bagay naman na madamot siya sa time, energy, and effort. Kung ito'y pagkakataon or opportunities, baka hindi pa nga ito yung time na gusto mo, pero ang nakikita natin dito, victory eh. So, ibig sabihin, mangyayari at mangyayari. It just so happened not on the time frame na in-expect natin. So, siguro gano'n naman talaga, no? Do you believe in a divine timing, no? Kasi divine timing, kahit anong pilit mo, hindi yan ika nga nila, kung hindi ukol, hindi pa bubukol, no? Kahit anong gawin mo, hindi siya mangyayari. Tapos maiisip mo na lang, ay sandali, minanifest ko pala to before, and kaya pala hindi ko nakukuha ito dati, kasi ito pala, no? Yung reason. And this is the right time. So, napakaganda nung divine timing. Things are going to happen when you need it the most. Not because you want it, but you need it the most, no? With the Knight of Swords. So, medyo mainipin lang tayo sa mga gusto nating mangyari sa buhay. Mainipin lang tayo sa mga sabihin nating gusto nating ma-achieve, no? Or mangyari dito sa relationship, with the Two of Cups, kayo pa rin naman. So, ito na nga ba yung sinasabi nating you might be in a roller coaster ride. May peak kasi na nakakatakot yung pinagdadaanan mo. Especially when it comes to a relationship or a situation like this, because you can almost see it, feel it, touch it, hear it, taste it. Pero it seems like, ayan na, ang lapit ko na eh. Bakit hindi ko pa ba siya makuha, hindi ko pa ba siya mahawakan, no? Pero dadating yung panahon na talagang para sa iyo the Two of Cups, no? It felt like this person, this opportunity, the event is really meant for you. Kaso with the Five of Swords, parang sinasabi lang dito is wag kang sumuko. If you can actually stretch your patience much a little longer, the universe is kind of like telling you, sige, hindi naman magtiis, antayin mo pa ng kaunti dahil malapit ka na, no, doon sa goal na gusto mong i-achieve with the King of Wands. So it felt like meron lang ditong misunderstanding na pwedeng yung time frame, pwede din yung season, pwedeng sabihin natin yung umaga sa kanila, gabi dito, no? Dadating yung panahon na magkakaroon kayo ng isang agreement. Sabihin natin if this is a journey, parehas kayong makakarating dun sa bangka na yon, sa same journey at the same time, no? It felt like meron lang talaga ditong either agreement, things na hindi talaga match pa for a certain period of time, the Seven of Wands and the Seven of Swords. So, sabihin natin, kung meron kang doubt na itong energy na ito, person, event, medyo niloloko ka, no? Or parang toying on you, toying on your heart, no? Hindi eh. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, dadating talaga yung panahon na meron kang ma-achieve, may mangyayari sa relationship ninyo. Hindi pa man sa oras na gusto mong mangyari, but it does going to happen. Just believe in the divine timing. Because whatever it is that you're manifesting, it is actually yours already. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, kung meron po kayong questions and nakaka-resonate kayo dito sa reading na ito, there is a link sa video na ito sa description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yung information. So, let's check now the zodiac sign. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Sagittarius, Leo, Cancer. I am seeing Gemini, Virgo. I am seeing Pisces and Taurus. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am Daphne, also known as Papayant. Standing in my own design.